do my hair because it's braided, but if you want to look this cute, let me know. Oh my god, my hair smells so good, so good. I tried a new dip conditioner, which I'm not gonna let you know today because that's gonna be a separate video, but my hair looks amazing. All right, I'm just gonna split my hair into two. This is literally how I have been doing my hair lately. I just split it into two, and then I need to make sure that my hair is completely wet and that I don't have any water in my eyes, of course. Before I apply any gel, I always like to start with the leave-in conditioner. So this is my all-time favorite leave-in conditioner. It's from Mixed Chicks, and it's just a leave-in conditioner. It's for all hair types, so I love it. It does wonders, but it's a little bit pricey. I think it costs $20. Yeah, so, but it's good. It's really, really good. A little bit more. I'm very generous because I do have a lot of hair and I'm not parting my hair in small sections, so obviously I'm not covering every strand. And the reason why I'm doing it is because lately I love big hair, don't care. So that's what we're going for today. Alright, so on this side I'm gonna go with on the left side, I'm going to apply the Devacurl Ultra Defining Gel, and if you guys know, you know. Hands down to this, hands down. Also on the pricey side, I believe is $22. That's why I don't use it very often, just once in a blue moon, because $22 is $22. Alright, so I'm just gonna make sure I distribute the product throughout my hair, and we'll just see the final results. Okay, so this side is done, and I'm just gonna show you the results. With the Devacurl products, I have noticed that the definition comes after. Once your hair is completely dry, your definition will be amazing. So I'm just gonna let it dry and then see the final results. Alright, once again, the leave-in conditioner, a generous amount. What I like about this leave-in conditioner, well, I love a lot of things about it, but if you're sensitive to smells, it is perfect for you because it doesn't really have a smell. Like, yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything. So if you're sensitive to smells, that's the perfect product for you because you will get definition, and it doesn't have any particular smell. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to the new product. I'm so excited about this. Just need to get rid of all this hair all over my hands. Okay. So I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. Ouidad. hopefully this is how you pronounce it. Advanced climate control, anti-freeze, nanotechnology. It's not humid today, it's not really hot, the weather is okay. I think it's in the 70s, so it's fine. So I'm not really testing this product for what it claims to be. I just want to see the difference between the Devacurl and the Ouidad on my hair. So yeah, but let me know down below if you guys ever want me to test it for what it claims for before the summer's over. It's very light, lighter than the Devacurl. Doesn't smell like anything, and a little bit goes a long way. Yeah, I wouldn't apply any more, to be honest. Yeah, it gets distributed pretty nicely. It doesn't smell like anything. Awesome. Okay. So far, the Devacurl feels a little bit like this side feels softer and more. I feel some slip. This side I don't feel any slip at all, and I should stop touching it before I mess up my hair, but just doing it for the sake of this video. And this side is just so soft and like moisturized. I don't know, like very soft and nice. It just feels nice. This side, no slip at all. I can see shrinkage on this side already versus this side, but again, I just finished applying the product here, so let's just give it 10 minutes or less and see what happens. Okay, so the Devacurl Ultra Defining Gel, it says strong hold, no crunch styler, and the Ouidad says the curl experts, advanced climate control, anti-freeze, nanotechnology, heat and humidity gel, define curls, look out humidity. All curls types, style and shape. It doesn't say that it's for all hair types, but I assume it is. I believe it retails for $26 and the Devacurl for $22. I could be wrong, but I'll double check and let you know. And here we go. Already seeing some shrinkage, still softer, no slip, some slip. Oh my lay on top. Oh my lay on top. I feel like I'm always obsessed with my results. I mean, I love my hair, so just give me a break. But let's just talk about results side by side. Definition about the same. I don't see any difference at all. What do you guys think? So I feel like more volume on this side, which obviously leads to shrinkage. No, less volume, which I styled with the Ouidad, and obviously less shrinkage. Definition about the same. They feel the same. Oh my god, I just love the result. Ouidad on the right side, like I said, less shrinkage, more and less volume, and I paid $26 for 8.5 ounces, 250 mils on Amazon. And the Devacurl Ultra Defining Gel, it's $20. Let me just double check. It's 12 ounces, $2, yes. And the Devacurl Ultra Defining Gel, which I used to style the left side, we have more shrinkage and more volume. I paid $18 at Sephora, I think. Either from 18 to 20, I can't remember, but definitely that's the actual range, and $26 from Amazon for 8.5 ounces. So you'll get more and a little bit less, but to be honest, the Ouidad gel is very light and a little bit goes a long way, so you're technically using the same amount because this is a little bit thicker, more like a gel, and this is more like a, it's not quite a gel. We're so used to use like thicker gels. The consistency that we're used to is thicker, like a thick, yeah, I said it again. Yeah, the consistency that we're used to is thick, but this is very light, so a little bit goes a long way, and I'm just obsessed. Like, I really love the definition, the results on both sides. Do I have a favorite? Not really. I really love the Devacurl. You guys know that I swear by that gel. The Ouidad, it's something different that I'm trying, but I will continue trying it just because, hello, like, my curls are popping. You know what I mean? So let me know down below if you see any difference. I'm happy with both. I think it's up to you which one you would like to go with. I'm happy with both, like I said, no preference, and that's it. The end of the video. So I don't have any other comments more than I'm happy with the results, and thank you so much for watching, and you guys will see me in my next upload.